Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through creating dashboard applications in SpreadsheetWEB. Before we start, make sure that you have a compatible dataset in CSV format. We first need to upload this data from the control panel. We can do this by clicking Tools and then Import Data. Here I'm going to give this file a map and a set name. Pressing Next will take us to the next step. Here we can drag and drop the data file to upload it. We also need to assign this data file to a group. I'm going to select the default group for simplicity. In the third step, we can change the data mapping. The system will automatically detect the column names, and you can usually leave this as is. Once the data is uploaded, we will get a confirmation message. We can now go back to the Applications page and create a new dashboard application. To do this, we must first click Create a new application and then select Dashboard Report. We can now give our dashboard a name and select the data file we've just imported. Next, we need to configure the application options. Here I'm going to assign this dashboard to the default group. Pressing Next will create a dashboard. We can edit this dashboard by opening it in Edit mode. This can be done by pressing the yellow Edit Dashboard button next to the application's name. New visualizations can be added from the Insert menu. Let's start with a bar chart. We can select the data columns from available fields and press the Add to X-axis or Add to Y-axis buttons to move them to the corresponding fields. Remember to set an expression for the numeric fields. The Layout tab allows us to change structural elements. The Format tab contains options that affect the chart looks. Data colors can be changed from the Legend Manager. Pressing the Save button will add this chart. Now let's add a donut chart. Filters are very useful to drill down into data. Let's add a department filter to allow our users to narrow down the results. Remember to save your dashboard to keep all your changes. To do this, go to File and press Save. Thank you for watching.